Have unlimited money, but have an STD for the rest of your life. Get any superpower that you want, but you have to kill who appears first when you click share and then more. Bring back any extinct animal you want, but they will be the reason for your death. Be the person to prevent World War III, but you will lose all your hair. Your celebrity crush falls in love with you, but you never get to see your mom again. Become the smartest man in the world, but you will only live to see another 10 years.